Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. So today I'll be sharing to you something simple yet meaningful that I will always try to do in my everyday life. So watch this. Whenever I ride a bus, I make sure not to sit down if there are still elders, pregnant, or senior citizens standing. I've always felt uncomfortable seeing them struggle to keep their balance or stand for a long time. So I choose to give my seat to them. Even I'm tired or I've been waiting for a long time, I still think that they deserve comfort more than I do. So now let's begin my story or the thing na na-experience ko last time. There was a one time na pupunta ako ng Puerto. So, iba pag sa bus naman kasi, pag nasa long distance ka, you are prioritized na umupo kaysa doon sa mga short distance. So, dahil nga masyadong punaan yung mga bus, expected naman na maraming mga nakatayo. So, one time may isang old lady na nakatayo and inoffer ko yung upuan ko sa kanya since ako yung nakaupo doon sa upuan dahil nga ako ay long distance. Pero, at that time is tumanggi siya. Medyo matagal ko siyang napilit and habang pinipilit ko siya, katagalan ay napaupo ko na rin siya. Habang ginagawa ko yun, I noticed na there's someone na nakikita niya ako na ginagawa ko yun sa matanda. And nung ako na yung tumayo, syempre, hinayan ko na yung matanda na nakaupo doon. But ito yung passenger guy dito sa likuran namin. Ay na-notice ko sa mukha niya na parang gusto niyang magsalita or gusto niya mag-offer din ng upuan niya para sa akin pero hindi niya yun magawa. Siguro naiilang siya that time. Pero katagalan ay naano na rin, nalabas niya na gusto niyang i-offer yung upuan niya sa akin. So kaya tumanggi rin ako. So dahil nga ginawa niya rin yung same technique na ginawa ko sa matanda, pinilit niya ako na umupo. So kaya ayun, napaupo na rin ako. And the time na-realize ko na totoo pala kapag gumawa ka ng mabuti sa kapwa mo, pabalik din yung kabutihang yun sa'yo. Maybe hindi yun siya yung person na tinulungan mo, but may gagamitin si Lord na ibang tao para ibalik yung kabutihang ginawa mo. The virtue I show in this situation is kindness and respect for elders. It's a small act, but it shows care, empathy, and understanding for others, especially for those older than me. So every time I do this, I feel happy and fulfilled. It's a different kind of joy when you know you've made someone's day a little easier, even in a simple way. So saying their smile or hearing small thank you makes my heart warm. I've learned that doing good doesn't always require money or big actions. Even small gestures like giving up your seat can reflect a person's values and make a positive impact on others. This experience reminds me to always be considerate and thoughtful, not just to elders but to everyone around me. In the future, I'll continue to choosing kindness and respect, no matter how small the act is, because this small action can inspire others to do good too. That's my good deed story. So remember, kindness doesn't cost anything but it means everything to someone. Thank you for watching and listening, everyone. God bless us, guys.